Hey, hi Imran. I hope you're doing well.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir, for asking. How are you, sir?
Yes, I'm also doing great. Thank you for asking again. So, Imran, as I can see your resume, you have done your data analytics program internship from one of the company. So, I would like to know more on you. Okay. So, can you please brief me out with your introduction?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
First of all, sir, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in
Mm-hmm.
front of you.
Okay.
Myself, Imran Mullah. I am from Sangli, Maharashtra.
Okay.
I am a postgraduate student in MSc Organic Chemistry.
Okay.
Recently, a few months later, I can also completed a data analyst internship course
Mm-hmm.
from Radical Software Technology.
Correct.
Inside this course, I can learn the tools which is mostly used for analyzing data, or
Mm-hmm.
in the field of data analyst or business analyst.
Okay.
So the tools are like visualization tools like a Power BI, database like a SQL Server, and also know about the basic knowledge related to Python and Excel.
All right. Super. So, as I can see your resume that you have worked with Radical Group. So, can you please let me know on your roles and responsibility in day-to-day life? What were
Yes.
you handling and actually what were you doing in that internship project?
This is a internship related program related to data analyst. So
Okay.
he can't give to a large or big data sets for working. It's basically give us a small setup on a project or program. Inside it, we can create how to create report, how to create dashboards, how to fetch insights from a data. All how we can understand data. All these little and important things we can learn inside this internship program.
Mhm. Okay. All right. So, coming back to again, so Imran, how would you rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 while we talk about SQL?
In case of SQL, I would give my rate myself rate to 7 out of 10.
Sorry?
7,
Okay, 7. All right.
7.
So let's get started. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. So my first question is again, Imran, how do you use window function in SQL and what are some practical use cases?
Uh, mm, Talking about Windows function, sir. Basically, there are total three types of Windows function used in SQL.
Okay,
First, it is an aggregate function, rank related function, and analytical function.
super.
In case of aggregate function, we use sum, max, minimum, average, count. In
Okay,
case of a rank and a rank Windows function, we use a row number, rank, dense rank, and percentile rank.
okay,
And the third one is analytical. Inside it, we can use first name, last name, lead, and lag.
okay. So Imran, can you please tell me some real case scenarios which you have used in your day-to-day activity?
Talking about sir, Windows function, na,
Mm-hmm.
I recently sir fetch nth number of basically from the database. Windows function in my scenario I used for fetching the nth number of salary highest ascending or descending manner
Okay.
level type from the record fetching from the database. For
Mm-hmm.
that reason, I preferably I use
Okay.
for that
All
reason.
right. Not an issue. Okay. So, Imran, my second question is how would you differentiate between a clustered index and a non-clustered index?
Okay. Clustered and non-clustered, these are the type of indexes. Uh, in case of clustered index, basically we can talking about clustered index. We can change or alter the physical order of particular column of table inside the database. But in case of non-clustered index, we can't alter or we can't change the physical order. Hence, the particular column can be present in its logical order itself. And for a single table, only one clustered index available. And
Mm-hmm.
for a non-clustered index, for a single table, multiple non-clustered index are available for a single table.
Okay. So, are you sure on that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, again, how would they impact query performance?
Basically, sir, indexes, talking about indexes, we basically use it to reduce the time fetching the records from a database, it actually filter the content from the database according to the user selection. So with the help of this, we can fetch our records fastly.
Okay. Okay, quickly. All right.
Quickly.
Done. Fine. So my third question is again, how do you manage and optimize large data sets in SQL Server?
There are a few steps I preferred to dealing with large database. First, it is an avoid use select statement for select all from particular database. Avoid use of subqueries or using for a bulky database. Select statement avoid. Secondly, and further steps are like how I can improve. I can use not a select statement, rather than I can create an index. For that's why I can't filter whole data. Only required data can be filtered using index. So I can basically create index using few. These are the basic steps. With the help of this, I can improve my performance or database performance efficiency.
Okay. All right. So talking about Excel part. So how proficient are you in Excel? Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. Yeah.
6.
6. Okay. So basic question. So how would you use the VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP function in Excel, and what are the key differences?
Basically, sir, lookup formula in Excel we use it for filtering or sorting or fetching some specific kind of information from our table or database.
Okay.
Talking about VLOOKUP, we basically use it to filter our data in vertical manner, and in case of an HLOOKUP for horizontal manner. Other differences are like their indexes. We can create VLOOKUP using is equal to VLOOKUP. The particular, can I tell sir about syntaxes? Is equal to VLOOKUP. We can use for the particular lookup value for we want to find their result from a table. Lookup value, comma, whole table array, table number, column number, and 0 and 1 for true or false value.
Sure on that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. You can be a bit more audible, all right, Imran? Yes. All right, fine. So, what do you think? What is the function of or the significance of conditional formatting in Excel, and how can it be helped to enhance data analysis?
Talking about sir, conditional formatting, basically it is used to sort our data according to the weightage of values present inside our particular column with the help of color coding.
Okay.
With the help of this, we can easily understand through color coding which data, their weightage we can understand through color.
Okay, all right. Fine. So are you aware of VBA Macros?
I know, sir, but that time not I can recall that.
Okay, fine. So actually my question was, how do you automate repetitive tasks in Excel using macros and VBA? Can you answer to that question?
I used, sir, during practice session. I can create a formula from, but no, sir, not able to.
You can't recall. All right, not an issue. Fine. So Imran, my next question is, so which tool are you using currently for data visualization?
Power BI, sir.
Okay, all right. So how do you use advanced charts type like Sankey diagrams, waterfall charts to convey, complex data diagrams, data insights?
Inside the Power BI, we can add advanced charts, visuals using custom visuals option. Through this, we can it is in one type of a Play Store for a Power BI. With the help of this, we can add advanced charts visual and use inside our dashboards for fetching insights. I recently used the advanced charts are like a word map and map related visuals I basically used inside it.
Okay, all right. So, how do you incorporate interactively in your data visualization to enhance user experience?
To enhance user experience, sir, I can create dashboards very neat and clean format.
Okay.
Unnecessary visuals and charts are I can remove.
Okay.
Basically, I can apply the limit to the number of visuals.
Okay.
Also apply the number of also apply to limit to the number of slicers and filters inside our dashboards.
Mhm.
Mm, and
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So, Imran, do you really think that color combination is a subjective matter?
yes, sir.
Okay.
It's important.
So, how can you overcome it? I mean, how do you use color combinations?
Consider, sir, we want to create a particular report to and someone XYZ organization.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, the particular organization have some logo, so
Okay.
he want to add our logo, add their logo inside our dashboards. So,
Mm-hmm.
which color is present inside the logo? I can create or use such type of colors inside our dashboards visuals. So it means create a relationship like not a very odd type of format.
Okay. All right. So, what are the key principles of designing a dashboard and that communicates effectively to the different stakeholders?
First of all, sir, at the starting of creating dashboards,
Mm-hmm.
we need to create first a proper heading of XYZ organization or a particular report related. We want to first add a proper header. After that, we want to create a slicer or filter or cards we will need to create because cards can be talk more about overall data.
Okay.
Third one is use करने का simple and effective visuals which can represent the data and understand a particular person which is from also non-IT background or non-technical background.
Okay.
So use such type of simple visuals. In that way, we can I can do all
Okay.
this.
Okay. Fine. So, coming to Python again. Okay. So, how would you rate yourself on a scale of 10?
6.5.
6.5. Okay. So, are you aware of, the libraries like, NumPy,
Sir.
Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So, basic question, how do you handle missing, data in Python? And what are the techniques to, ensure that the data has a quality data,
Basically, sir, working with the data frame, we basically use the pandas library.
Mm-hmm.
Inside it, we can do all the alteration, modification, or do some manipulation inside our data.
Okay.
With the help of a pandas library, we can understand data with applying some functions. Basic functions are used like we can understand missing or null related data inside it using a function like is null, replace null, fill na, etc.
Okay.
And other functions are basically like a duplicate related data are also available.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to understand this type of data, duplicate related data. So we can understand using a functions like go to x dot duplicated or drop duplicated from particular our data.
Okay.
And other functions are like merge, join, group by, uh, rename, sorting, indexing. These are basic functions are used inside of pandas.
Okay. All right. So, one more thing, Imran, I would like to ask again. So, how do you use Python as a web scraping for web scraping? And what libraries would you prefer for more effectiveness?
Sorry, sir, I don't know what's web scraping.
Okay, web scraping you are not aware of. Fine. So, tell me the basic difference between NumPy and Pandas, and how do you decide which to use for a given piece of task?
Talking about numpys, basically it is used for working with arrays.
Okay.
We have a numerical type of data inside Python, so we can prefer use to NumPy library.
Okay.
And in case of pandas, we want to work with a data frame or a tabular format related data.
Mm-hmm.
In such scenario, we can use pandas library.
Superb. Okay, all right. So with that, thank you, Imran, for joining today's interview. And one more question. Okay. So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years, Imran?
In next 5 years, sir, better position, sir. At current existing position to better position in updated version itself.
Okay, all right, fine. So thank you for joining, Imran, again. Have a great day, and with your feedback, I'll come back to you again. Thank you for joining. Have a great day. Bye bye.